You have a great idea. This great idea is going to make computing faster, machines smarter, robots move, cars connect. But this great idea needs to be designed, tested, and produced before it can revolutionize the world. And it needs to be done in record-breaking time with the highest quality and a limited budget. Sound impossible? This is where Aarohi comes in. Aarohi provides complete turnkey solution for embedded systems design, development, test and measuring instrument, testing automation, analytical instruments, and system engineering services. Make them a one-stop solution for customers. Has a global presence with worldwide locations. Founded by alumni of IIT Bombay in the 2003. We welcome you to the world of technology. For us, coming together is a beginning. Being together is progress, and working together is success. We believe prayer makes impossible things possible. When we pray, God hears more than we say. He answers more than we ask, and He gives more than imagined, but in His own time. We provide innovative and exclusive solutions which help people and businesses raise the bar. By following our core values, trust, innovation, respect for all, out-of-the-box thinking, responsive and result-oriented. We have the vision to become 1,000 crore company by 2037 with ethics like Tata. Mr. Paresh Babaria, having 20 years of experience in the field of embedded design development. Mr. Vipul Thakar, having 22 years of experience in the marketing field. Mr. Hitesh Sawalia, having 17 years of experience in production field. The happiness and contribution of each member of the company is the key to continued success and advancement of our business. I believe that the profits gained from our technological achievements should be distributed fairly to the community, employees and shareholders alike, with our focus firmly set on the goal of developing the business activities of our company for the enrichment and benefits of society as a whole. Our aim is to grow our socially responsible business as a driving force for new technologies, under the company slogan, "The only way forward is together." Aarohi tuned to the pulse of digital future. Aarohi's unique ability to provide IoT, solar, and embedded design, mobile app and software solutions, and end-to-end solutions from product conceptualization until production makes it an ideal choice for our customer. With in-house design service, we execute the PCB design, develop the hardware and software, develop the test program, implement the embedded system design, and build the product. We develop innovative solutions together. We are an embedded business. Over the 1.5 decade, 2,000 plus satisfied customers worldwide, over 200 plus standard products, precision in soldering with automated PCB soldering facility. Believing in quality comes first. We are renowned in industry as a quality-centric organization, which follow every rule following by industry achieving ISO 9001-2015 due to our entire quality management system. Store having 10,000 plus components range to build a quality products. ERP material handling facility with 100% traceability of stock. We are backbone for pump and motor testing industries. We automate the testing of pump sets and motor to minimize the human errors and human efforts for accurate measurement in very less time compared with traditional manual testing methods. We make enclosure and panel wiring design providing totally integrated solutions. We provide a world-class testing automation. Testing panels are controlled by software for online data logging, integrated along with smart data acquisition systems. 24/7 customer service. Client issues addressed online by dedicated team. Flow meter department. We are Gujarat first manufacturer having in-house calibration and testing lab facility for electromagnetic flow meter ranging up to 1,200 millimeters. We are associated with Fieldcom Group USA with prestigious Heart membership. We are market leader in manufacturing various types of flow meters. For quality product and to cater need of dynamically changing industry, we have in-house design and development facility for various types of flow meters, with modern assembly area. Aarohi developed electromagnetic flow meter, vortex flow meter, ultrasonic flow meter, positive displacement flow meter. In today's dynamic market where the formula time is money is more applicable than ever, Aarohi Embedded Systems Private Limited remains unmatched in delivery reliability with 100% timely delivery. We thank you for being our customer. For us, customer satisfaction is the most important service we can provide to our community. We belong to tradition, where we treat the entire universe as our family. We welcome you to connect with us. Let's grow together.